Hey guys, Mr.Blais. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today I thought it'd be kind of cool to do a fun, simple clover Zentangle design. This will be the first of hopefully many videos I'll be putting out over this break, whatever we want to call it. Hoping to help keep your creative juices going and keep you focused on something fun. So I look forward to making more videos like this, and I really hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any suggestions, just comment below and let me know, and I'll try to do my best to make more videos of your request. Take care guys, we got this. Let's be creative. Hope you enjoy the lesson. So we're gonna make a Zentangle Clover today. And to make a clover, the easy way to do it is to make 4 hearts. I'm going to make this a little bit large. You can make your hearts however you want. This is how I like to make mine. Remember, it's 4, it's lucky. And then don't forget the stem. Now that's the easy part. And now inside of each one of these hearts, I want you to try to create a different pattern. I'm going to create kind of a basket weave sort of pattern here. And to do that, all we have to do is make 3 to 4 lines that are a little bit curved. I like to do 4. Now next to those, above or below, it doesn't matter where, we will do some curved that way. And now we're just going to repeat that pattern. You could try varying the size of them, but just make sure not to have the same 2 patterns, directions the same way.
Oh, whoa, 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 there we go, in the place of Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah, 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 yeah.